Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling y'all about the fighter jet. What's the best fighter jet in this world? I've been seeing a lot of questions. People asking like, what is the best fighter? So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. An air force is a crucial part of any army. Their superiority provides cover and support for the troops on the ground. Fighter jets are a must if a country wants to keep its airspace sovereign. So currently the 5th generation fighter jets are the most advanced. And Lockheed Martin it describes a 5th generation fighter as with the following capabilities. So let me read it out for you. One that has all stealth when armed, all stealth capabilities when armed. So practically it's stealthy when armed. Low probability of interception radar, which means it's just good. It can't be intercepted by no radar. So one that is practically invincible to the radar. Another one is high performance airframes. I think that is self-explanatory. Advanced avionics, self-explanatory. Highly integrated computer systems capable of connecting to other systems for situational awareness. So that's a 5th generation fighter jet, but many countries still use 4th generation fighter jets. So with all that said, I know y'all was asking why you telling us this. I know you all just want to know what's the best fighter. I'm telling you this that you know why do we gotta have those fighter jets. So I think with that one we can get right into it. So I'm going to be telling you guys, it's like a nomination, like, you know, this is my personal decision. It's like I'm going to be putting them. I'm going to tell you all of the aeroplanes that I think are capable of being the best fighters, their specifications, before I tell you now the best fighter. Okay, let's continue. First one is the HAL Tejas fighter jet, which is an Indian fighter replacing the MiG-21, which has been used by the Indian Air Force since 1964. So this HAL Tejas is a very good aeroplane. It has a maximum speed of Mach 1.6, maximum range of 1,850 kilometers. It has very good armament. So the F-15 Eagle is an aeroplane produced by the McDonnell Douglas. It first entered into production a few years ago, and I know what you're thinking, it's a very old aeroplane. How can it be even considered to be one of the best aeroplanes? But it has been, there's this new variant of this aeroplane called the F-15 Eagle EX, which is a good aeroplane. It has the 5th generation capabilities. This is a 2-man crew aeroplane, the pilots and the weapons officer, and it also has a service sailing of 60,000 feet, a maximum speed of Mach 1.2 at low altitude and Mach 2.5 at a high altitude. It has a lot of armaments, guns, hardpoints, missiles, grenades. So that's the F-15 Eagle. So let's move on. So the next is the Dassault Rafale, which is a French multi-role airplane. It can intercept and attack the aircraft, attack ground targets. It can carry nuclear weapons, and it can also do spy missions. So the Dassault Rafale entered service in 2001, and it is currently being operated by 4 countries. The Dassault Rafale is a 2-man crew aeroplane or fighter, and it has a service sailing of 51,000 feet. It has a maximum speed of Mach 1.8, that is at high altitude, and Mach 1.1 at low altitude. It also has good armaments like guns, hardpoints, and missiles, plus nuclear weapons. Okay, so the next aeroplane in this list is the Eurofighter Typhoon. Yeah, the wave. But it's actually a bit different from all the other ones that I've said before. It had a very different story before it came into production. It had its first flight in 1994, and it's currently being operated by 9 countries around the world. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a 1 or 2 man crew aircraft or fighter, and it has a service sailing of 65,000 feet. It has a maximum speed of Mach 2.0. Okay, so it also has good armament, guns, hardpoints, missiles, just like all the other aeroplanes. But it's one of the best, trust me. Okay, so the next aeroplane is F-22 Raptor, which is a Lockheed Martin aeroplane, and it first entered service in 2001. But it's the first fighter jet to actually combine sensor fusion, super maneuverability, stealth, and super cruise. The F-22 is a one-man crew aircraft. It has a service sailing of 65,000 feet and a maximum speed of 2.25 Mach 2.25. It also has good armament, hardpoints, guns, missiles, just like all the other aeroplanes. So let's go on to the next. Okay, so the next aeroplane is the Su Sukhoi Su-57, which is practically the only aeroplane in this list to tick all the boxes in the 5th generation category. So this aeroplane is going to become the most technologically advanced fighter jet in the world. It's a Russian aeroplane, so you all know what that means. Okay, but let's do enough of the jokes. So the aeroplane was supposed to be introduced fully in 2020, but I haven't heard anything about the Su-57 being introduced. So they were supposed to be introduced in 2020, but it had been spotted around 2018 in Syria. So we don't know what Russia is up to. We don't know. I don't even know if it has been introduced yet. So the specifications of this one are: it's a one-man crew aircraft, just like the F-22 Raptor, and it has a service sailing of 66,000 feet, and it has a maximum speed of Mach 2.0. Just like all the other aeroplanes, it has very good armament, guns, hardpoints, missiles, all of them. Next aeroplane in my list is the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. It has three main variants: the F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C. And its program costs the United States a whopping 1.5 trillion. Like, damn, bro, that's a lot for an aeroplane that practically hasn't proven itself in battle yet. So we don't even really know if it's really the way it has been praised to be. Okay, so this aeroplane is a one crew aircraft. It has a service sailing of 65,000 feet, a top speed of Mach 1.6, and just like all the other aircrafts, it has good armament, missiles, hardpoints, guns, everything. Drum roll, please. So the favorite aeroplane or fighter is the F-35 Lightning II. Okay, tell me which other aeroplane can do this. Which other aeroplane can do this? This is the best aeroplane, but I know you all have different opinions to that, and I'd like to hear what is your favorite. So please comment down on more videos. This one was just brushing through the aeroplanes, but I'm gonna do a more follow up on the other aeroplanes. So thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.